We're gonna use MyFitnessPal right here, this little blue app. So notice mine says go premium in the top right, as well as this little blue button around the middle of the screen. We do not want to go premium. I don't want to go premium. You can if you want to. But yeah, so what you can do to update your calorie goals, what I would do is go over to more, go to goals, and you just enter your current weight, enter your goal weight, and then enter how quickly you want to lose weight. And then in here, I would go in and say lightly active. And then we'll go over to the diary, and it's giving you a new calorie goal. Yours and mine will not be the same because we are probably different. So whatever your calorie goal is, you're going to use that and the protein goal that I've sent you. So the way that this works, you're going to notice this blue button down here at the bottom. If we click that, it's going to offer us, we can enter in our weight, our water, post a status, enter our food, and enter our exercise. Okay, the only one, and I repeat, the only one that you use is the food. Do not ever, never, ever, ever enter your exercise because it will mess up what we're tracking, okay? I've already accounted for exercise when I've given you your calorie goal, so do not track exercise. Now we're going to click on food, and then we can choose a meal to add it to, okay? So that's one way of doing it. The second option is to go into add a food under breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack, okay? So we'll add food. And then what you're going to do, you got a couple options. So first you can search for a food. So we can type something up. The second thing that we can do is scan a barcode. So if there is, let's see what I have. If there is a barcode that you can scan. So for example, I've got this coconut water here that I'm going to scan. So click scan barcode, and there it is. So I would just enter it like that. So that's how you scan with the barcode. Now you would need to adjust. For example, we're going to go in here where it says number of servings. So, this would be just one serving because it would just be one bottle. But you can also... Actually, no, I apologize. It looks like there's 2 servings in this bottle. So if I drank the whole bottle, I'd go in here and adjust under the number of servings to 2, and then I'd hit enter. You can also add a food. So let's say you have chicken breast. You just click that. A lot of times you can find the one that you can find the type of chicken breast that you get. So for example, let's say we get this Wegmans, never heard of that, organic chicken breast, right? Bam, 3 ounces. So when it comes to meat, you have to know what the pre-cooked weight is. So, but let's just say that you've had 6 ounces. You're gonna go up here to that. Let's say you've had 4.5 ounces. Well, that would be 4 divided by 3 ounces. That would be 1.5 servings. You just put that in right there. Okay. Fruit. So let's just say I'm a big fan of these apples. The Gala organic apple. So 1 apple. So the Gala organic apple is 80 calories. I had 1 apple. I would hit that. Okay. That's basically all you're doing. Okay. So you're just choosing the food, or you're hitting add food. You're searching for the food. So let's say we had some white rice. So we had 2 servings of that. We'd hit enter. And that's it, okay? So we're just entering it in that way. And the way that you track your protein, you're going to go over to more. You're going to go to nutrition. And then it's going to give you today. You can see how it says today. We can toggle between, tomorrow, yesterday, today. You can keep going back as far as you want. But we're going to look at today's. And, based on those foods that I'd entered, I've had, that'd be 42 grams of protein, 118 carbs. And you don't have to worry about the carbs, the fiber, the sugar, the fat. Don't worry about that, okay? The only thing I want you worried about are your calories and your protein. So if you're getting the right number of calories and you're hitting your protein goal, then you are rocking and rolling. All right. If after you've done this for a while, you're interested in learning more, we can talk about that.